Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to customize the action button on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So actually, this is quite useful and quite easy. At first open settings, and here if you scroll down a little bit you will see action button. Tap that. Here by default it's set to the silent mode, but if you swipe to the right you can see that here they have focus. To change the focus, open the camera, open the visual intelligence, which is if you take photo you will know what's that. Here as you can see we have flashlight, torch, a voice memo, where you can just record the voice, recognize music, which is Shazam, translate, which is the translate for the Apple, magnifier, and controls, and we can here tap choose a control, and here as you can see we have plenty of controls that our action button can do. For example, wallet, tap to cash, calculator, print and scan code, remote, new reminder, quick note, measure, level, home, scene or history, background mode, dark mode, personal hotspot, mobile data, etc. Just tap on one to set it for example timer, and as you can see here you can set it for a shortcut, even choose a shortcut, for example combine, screenshot share, accessibility, choose a feature, increase contrast, as you can see, or no action. And that's how the action button works on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.